Since its incorporation in 1997, AV Electronics Marketing Sdn Bhd, or better known as AVM, has focused on distributing professional audio equipment. And we have provided countless audio solutions to various venues, events, and clients throughout Malaysia. Over the years, we have been designing and providing various audio systems and solutions with various brands such as Allen & Heath, EAW, Crest Audio, XTA, Drama, Bayer Dynamic, and many more. In recent years, we are distributing brands like Midas, Behringer, BMB, Turbo Sound, Lab Gruppen, Clark Technic, Audio Center, IVA, EMIX, DSPPA, and a few others. No matter what model, product, or brand, AVM always strives to deliver the best products and solutions to our clients. We believe in objective and value-based propositions. Our objective is to solve our clients' needs and problems with the most efficient and valuable methods. With extensive product and technical expertise and experience, we are able to give more value and performance with a lower investment factor for our clients. AVM's business philosophy has always enabled us to be at the forefront of the Malaysian professional audio industry. These are the familiar faces that have been representing AV Electronics Marketing in the professional audio industry over the years. The Central Region, we have CP Lim, TK Wong, and Lim Hock Soon. While in the Northern States, we have Pang, or better known as Awar, we have Chuang, and also Siti Lim. In the East Coast, we have Sham, or some call him Ahoy, and in the Southern States, we have Cliff Chong and Chien, or some call him Ahien. While in Sabah and Sarawak, we have Uncle Pen and Berjaya. Members of our industry know them very well. We are sure you have met some of them personally. We have now arrived at a new chapter of our business. In 2022, AVM will add another reputable professional audio brand to our portfolio. With this new addition, we will widen our selection of products and systems and offer more flexible and better audio solutions to our clients. Originating from Taiwan, the global powerhouse of semiconductor manufacturing, Topp Pro is highly recommended by AVM and its team for any professional audio solutions for various applications, such as education centers, halls, auditoriums, entertainment venues, live events, conference venues, and any other type of application that requires high quality and high performance audio systems. Among Topp Pro's product range are digital mixers, audio processors, and active and passive speakers. We are confident that Topp Pro's wide range of products will fulfill our customers' requirements and demands for various types of applications, venues, and events. We look forward to working with our partners to bring Topp Pro to our clients and users. Contact AVM today for the top choice of professional audio products, Topp Pro. Stay tuned with AVM and we shall see you soon.